Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to make half-caste body scrub. But before that, if you're yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now so you won't get to miss out on any of my upcoming videos. So let's get started. So for this scrub, you need brown sugar, which exfoliates the skin, it glows the skin, it prevents acne, removes scars, and it unifies the skin complexion. You need orange peel powder, which helps in unclogging pores, it prevents and fades acne, blackheads, it hydrates and moisturizes the skin, it tones the skin, it reduces signs of aging, it lightens the skin and loss smoke. You need vegetable glycerin, which moisturizes the skin and soothes skin irritation. You need citron essential oil, which helps to reduce skin redness, swelling, acne, itching, dark spots, and inflammation. You can also use any other essential oil in place of this tea tree essential oil. You need half-caste powder, which is also a whitening powder that whitens the skin and unifies the skin tone. You need Arbutin serum, which lightens dark spots, acne, discoloration, age spots, it whitens the skin, it moisturizes and reduces skin aging. You need Tumeric powder, which helps in reducing hyperpigmentation, acne, dark circles, wrinkles, dry skin, irritated skin. It smoothens the skin, it glows and lightens the skin. Guys, this scrub whitens the skin very fast. It exfoliates the skin, it smoothens the skin, it fades dark spots, dark skin patches, it glows the skin and unifies the skin tone. You can use this scrub with your whitening soaps and creams to fasten the whitening effect. You can try out this recipe and drop comments on how it worked for you. This is all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you found it helpful. If you liked it, give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends, and also help this channel grow by clicking on the subscribe button below. And when you do this, forget to click on the notification bell icon beside it to get notified when next I upload a new video. That's way you won't get to miss out on any of my upcoming videos. See you all in my next video. Bye.